to pull me from the grave. No voice remains, no soul to save. Each drop of rain, a silent cry.
Echoes haunt these vacant walls. My name dissolves as silence calls. Every breath a bitter chain, bound to grief, baptized in pain.
I reach for shadows, nothing stays. Lost within this endless maze, a ghost confined inside my mind. No trace of love I'll ever find. Frozen veins and shattered trust. All I was returns to dust. Tears in heavy rains, they fall unseen, washed away like I'd never been. No shoulder here, no warmth, no light, just endless dark that swallows night. Tears in heavy rains, I fade alone. A shattered heart turned into stone. If I scream when no one holds, if I fall, will death draw near? Every wound I hide inside feeds the storm I cannot fight. Rain falling, soul keeps crawling, unending.
Tears in heavy rains dissolve my soul into the void where none are whole. No arms to hold, no voice to call. I am the silence after all. Tears in heavy rains forever mine.
A lonely end, no final sign.
devours the sky. I'll whisper once, then slowly